Planning to level up your tech career with an MCA? Then you have probably come across Jain University's online MCA. It's one of the most talked about online tech degrees right now. But is it actually worth your time, money and effort? In this video, I will break down 5 clear reasons why Jain University's online MCA is a solid choice for aspiring tech professionals. And stay till the end, because if you take this MCA through Apna Advantage, you get powerful career support at no extra cost. Reason number 1. Industry recognized and government approved degree. Let's start with credibility. Is Jain's MCA really valid for jobs and further study? Yes, 100%. Here's why. Jain University is a UGC entitled AICTE approved institution. It holds NAAC A++ accreditation, placing it among the top rated universities in India. Recognized by WES. So it's valid for studying abroad or PR in countries like Canada or the UK. It is consistently ranked among India's top private universities, especially for tech and management. So this is not a random online course. It's a real MCA degree that's valid for both government and private sector jobs and trusted by recruiters globally. Reason number 2. Advanced tech degree at a fraction of the cost. Let's talk about money. A regular MCA degree, especially from a top-tier private college, can cost you upwards of 3 to 6 lakhs. But Jain University's online MCA? Just around 1.8 lakhs for the entire 2-year program, and that's all inclusive. No hostel or campus charges, no travel, relocation or hidden costs, EMI options available, so you can split your payments. You are getting a high-quality postgraduate tech degree at less than 1/3 the cost of a traditional program. Reason number 3. Built for working professionals. If you are already working, prepping for placements or doing a side hustle, this MCA fits into your life. Here's how. 24/7 access to the learning platform, recorded lectures plus optional live classes, online exams you can take from home, works on mobile, tablet or laptop. Whether you are a fresher, part-timer or full-time employee, this degree is built so you can learn at your own pace without hitting pause on your career. Reason number 4. Job-ready curriculum with real projects. This is not just theory and outdated textbooks. You will actually learn programming in Python, Java, C++, web development, cloud computing, advanced DBMS, operating systems, data structures and algorithms, artificial intelligence and machine learning, cybersecurity, blockchain basics, and more. You won't just study them, you will apply them. Expect real-world projects, case studies, and assignments, exposure to tools used in today's tech industry. Reason number 5. Specializations for real tech careers. Jain University lets you tailor your MCA to your future. You can choose specializations that align with top tech job roles. Options include artificial intelligence, cloud computing, cybersecurity, full stack development, data science, and mobile app development. So when you step into the job market, you're not just an MCA graduate. You are someone who is already trained in a high demand niche. Now here's the game changer. If you do this online MCA via Apna Advantage, you don't just get a degree, you get a career boost for free. Here's what Apna Advantage gives you. Up to Rs 25,000 in cash benefits. One-on-one dedicated interview prep and career mentoring whenever you need guidance. Direct access to tech recruiters who are hiring right now, and this is not some random job board. Apna Advantage is powered by Apna.co, one of India's fastest growing jobs platform, where over 7 lakh employers actively hire. Brands like Tata, HDFC and Jio post jobs. More than 45 crore interviews have happened in the last 5 years. So with Jain University plus Apna Advantage, you get education plus employment support, all in one place. For more details, check out the video description or visit apna.co/apnaadvantage and take charge of your career today. Happy learning!